Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have admin rights or that it has granted temporary elevation. This is required to install system updates. Once confirmed, connect to your agency's secure network or approved VPN to ensure policy compliance and update source integrity. Make a quick encrypted backup of essential files to the authorized network share so you can restore if needed. Begin by opening Settings and navigating straight to Windows Update to check for available updates. Don't delay. You'll see available updates after you click Check for Updates. Let Windows download them fully before proceeding. If policy requires optional security or cumulative updates, select them now and confirm any prompts for features or drivers. Make sure to schedule installation during a low-impact window and configure restart options so work isn't interrupted. Monitor the download progress and leave the laptop plugged in. Interrupted installs can trigger rollback or longer recovery steps, so be patient and precise. Once updates finish and the system restarts, check update history to verify success and record KB numbers for compliance records. If an update fails, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter and then run sfc/scano to repair system files. These often fix common issues. If problems persist, collect Event Viewer and CBS logs and contact your IT/security team for escalation. Make sure to include timestamps and KB ID so they can act quickly. That single
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.